Hello, I'm Tim Weir with Industrial Power Trucks here in McKinney, Texas. Today I'm going to go over some new inventory with you. I have with me today a 2027 Isuzu NPR HD crew cab gas with a 16-foot van with a 2-foot dove, all enclosed. Great for all your landscape needs. First thing you'll notice with the Isuzu is this low cab forward design. It's sitting on top of that front axle, gives you the best in-class and in-industry maneuverability. You have great visibility and turn radius on this truck. This option actually comes with the 7-inch touchscreen with backup camera. The layout, the ergonomics of this truck is everything that you'll need for your landscape needs. This actually seats 7. You have room for 4 in the back, 3 in the front. You got a workstation right here in the middle. Now let's take a look at the back end. Like I mentioned, this is a 16-foot van with a 2-foot enclosed dove. That means it's 18 feet overall. This is actually a hydraulic ramp. It's not a lift gate, it is a ramp. It actually is coated for traction. It's rated at 2,500 pounds. On the inside here, we have plywood lining halfway up with the slats the rest of the way. This is great for upfitting. As you can already see, we have racks pre-installed for weed eaters, blowers, water coolers, anything that you might need. We also have 2 shelving at the front. This is a great unit for your landscape team. If you like what you see, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Come see us at IP Truck here in McKinney, Louisville, and Fort Worth. Check us out again online at iptruck.com. And be sure to subscribe. I'm Tim Weir with Industrial Power Trucks.